I think the biggest thing is to keep asking the questions, both of the child and of the teacher. Why are you doing this? What's this assignment about? What are you trying to get out of it? You know, one of my kids was complaining one time about, I hate that book. I don't want to read that book. And I asked him a simple question. Why do you think you were assigned that book? Why are you reading that book? I don't know. Maybe that's the first question. Go back to the teacher in the conference period and ask them, why did we pick this one? It's not accusatory. I'm struggling with this book. I don't like it. It's hard. I'm trying to get into it and I'm not. Why are we reading this? Because if I knew why, then I said to my son, that as you read it, if you had a purpose for reading it, it's no longer about thinking that the purpose was because I was supposed to like it. Maybe I don't like it. And that's okay. We've read books that we didn't necessarily like, but if I knew I was looking for something about the character, something about how the character develops in the setting, that was the purpose for this piece, then read it for that. If you also end up finding out that you like some of it, that's a separate thing. But at least you have a focus. Then as you read, I'm reading because I'm trying to see, well, how is this character growing in a particular way? How does this character grow? If I know what it's for, then I have a reason to go. So I would say, trying to push the kids to ask, why am I doing this? What am I supposed to get out of this lab? Right up. And if they can't answer that question, they need to go back and ask. The youngster who is the struggling learner, if they don't have a purpose, will not work. The struggling learner will not work. They'll work for a person. I love that teacher, and that teacher can get me to work. But if they don't really have a purpose for the work, even the most advanced kids, they do it because I'm going to get my grade. Right? I'm going to get the grade. But even that isn't truly an internal, I really am doing this for what? So even that kid, I would argue, needs to know the answer. But this youngster, if they don't have purpose and relevance at all, why am I doing this? They don't work. Unless it's the personality of the teacher that draws them. So we got to figure out a better answer to that.